Jupiter.
Jupiter. And where are you coming from today? Where are you, Ethan?
In a space rocket.
A space rocket? Wow.
It's just a toy.
Just a toy. Who did you get that from?
From my 5th birthday.
For your 5th birthday, but who gave it to you?
I don't remember.
Is it your Auntie Sarah and Uncle Kerry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you very much. And what are we doing today? Jupiter from the spaceship, are we?
Yeah.
Cool.
Tomorrow, my favourite planet, Saturn, we're going to be doing.
Okay.
But remember, Saturn has rings.
Yeah. What do we want to tell everyone about Jupiter? What do you know about Jupiter then?
Jupiter has a big red spot. Jupiter has a big red spot. The big red spot is a hurricane.
A hurricane? Wow.
It's a storm.
A storm?
Yeah. But lucky we're on Earth, and the rest of Jupiter is all hydrogen, helium and gas.
Wow.
Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. And Jupiter has some rings like Saturn, but the rings are very hard to see. Jupiter has actually about 4 rings.
Oh wow, so Jupiter's actually a ringed planet. It's just they're very, very thin and very, very hard to see.
Yeah.
Cool.
And Saturn is the 2nd largest.
We'll do Saturn tomorrow, but what else about Jupiter? What's Jupiter king of?
The planet.
King of the planets, why is that?
Because it's the largest.
It's the largest planet, is it? Wow. And how far from the sun is it? What order is it in the planets? Is it first from the sun, second from the sun?
It's 5th from the sun.
5th from the sun, wow, okay.
And it's cold.
It's cold, ooh.
Because Jupiter is so far away.
Yeah.
Because the asteroid belt.
The asteroid belt. Where's the asteroid belt?
Between Mars and Jupiter.
Between Mars and Jupiter, wow. And why do the inner planets love Jupiter so much?
Because Jupiter protects the inner planets from asteroids and comets.
Yeah. Why is that? Is that because Jupiter's so big?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It bounces the asteroids and comets on its orbit.
Yeah, so it grabs because of its such big gravity orbit, it draws all those asteroids and comets in, so they hit Jupiter instead of hitting Mars and Earth and Venus.
And I'll tell you some things in the asteroid belt.
Some things about the asteroid belt, okay.
The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter.
Yes.
And the asteroid belt, and you'll find something, and there's the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt.
What's the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt?
Ceres is.
Ceres, is it?
Ceres is a spear, just like planets, but asteroids are odd shaped.
Is Ceres a dwarf planet or is it an asteroid?
Ceres is a dwarf planet and an asteroid.
Oh, okay. Excellent. Is there anything else you want to tell us about Jupiter?
Jupiter has the most moons, but Saturn replaced Jupiter as the moon king.
Oh wow, so Jupiter used to have more moons than any other planet, but now they found lots more Saturn moons. So what do we know about Jupiter's moons? What's its biggest moon?
Ganymede is the biggest.
That's also the biggest moon in the solar system, isn't it?
Yes. And actually Saturn has the biggest moon too.
Each planet has a biggest moon, but of all the moons in the solar system, Ganymede is the biggest.
Yeah.
What are the famous moons does Jupiter have?
Well, I know 4 Galilean moons.
4 Galilean moons? What are they?
And 1 that's not a Galilean moon.
Okay, what are the 4 Galilean moons?
Callisto, Ganymede, Io,
Europa. And why are they called Galilean moons?
Because they were discovered. I don't know.
Because they were discovered by the Galilean satellite, was it?
Yes.
Okay, Ethan, I think that's enough for today. Well done.
And one more fact.
One more fact, sorry, yeah.
And
Yes.
I know a moon that has. I know a moon that isn't a Galilean moon.
What's that?
Dia.
Wow.
That moon belongs to Jupiter.
Yeah. Well done, excellent. All right, good stuff, Ethan. Thank you for that. What do you want to say to everybody?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. See you all soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.